Master of the fourth degree, current and past, our district deputies of the different districts, grand knights of the different councils, the district deputies of the different district, guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat din sa aking mga kaibigan, mga knights, mga brother knights, na sumasama sa amin sa mga barangays, 37 barangays na nagpi-feeding. Ganon din sa mga kasama ko sa brother knights sa 7126 na hindi nagpabaya sa akin habang ako'y nasa pwesto. Sana ang ating newly elected na Grand Knight ay ating ding ipaunlad sa kanya ang ating tulong sa dito sa 7126. Salamat sa inyong lahat na dumalo. Kami ay bumabati ng magandang hapon. Thank you.
Distinguished guests at the presidential table, to our honorable guest will be introduced later. To his beautiful wife, Congresswoman Catalina Guzman Yunen Pizarro of ABS Party List. Sa ating mga kasamang Grand Knights, past Grand Knights, past faithful navigators, sa mga kasama ko sa iba't ibang council dito sa T36 at T37, mga nagkagandahang mga misis o mga handsome na mga nandito, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. More than 2 years ago, I accepted the challenge of heading Don Milecio Ipuhanco Assembly, LP 2448, to be your faithful navigator, firmly hoping and believing that I'll live up to your expectations. Today, we have reached another milestone in the history of St. Raymond Nonatus Council 7126 through the 37th installation of new set of officers. Thank you very much for your overwhelming confidence in electing me as your Grand Knight for fraternal year 2014-2015, and most happy to accept the gavel of responsibility which I know carries with it a heavy duty I'm bound to perform. But I believe that no task is ever difficult, if not impossible, when everyone in our council shows its uncoordinated support and cooperation as you did when I'm your faithful navigator. Allow me then to say a few words about the nature of our organization. While civic organizations are formed with various aims, all of them have for the main goal the improvement of the living conditions of our community, especially the underprivileged. The Knight of Columbus is not only an international organization, but a Catholic, family, fraternal service organization. Their communities are dedicated to the welfare of our human being. Its affiliates, known as councils, are largely parish-based. Knights sanctify their work by doing it to the best of their ability and for the love of God, especially during our yearly feeding and nutrition program for daycare children in all of our 37 municipalities. We have also medical missions and scholarships. These continuous projects, even with our meager budget and resources, but with the assistance of benevolent and generous patrons na ipagpapatuloy po namin. Kung minsan po ay tinatawag namin, nagsishare na lang po kami para lang hindi matigil po yung pagbibigyan namin ng konting tulong sa mga maliliit natin na mga eskwela. At this juncture, we the officers and members of St. Raymond Nonatus Council 7126 express our indebtedness to our distinguished guests, visitors and friends who graced this affair, who without their presence, our affair would not be a success. Again, hoping and praying that I'll live up to your expectations. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
Board of Parents Amante Borgonia Pizarro, a certified public accountant, and Annie Borja Bringas, housewife, both of Bangged, Abra. He is the grandson of the famous three-time Bangged mayor, Simplicio Fernandez Bringas. A born youth leader, he is the founding president of the Communist Youth Crusaders from 1968 to 1970. The founding president of Benin Youth Alliance sa Abra po ito from 1969 to 1970. And UE Alpha Sigma Rho Sigma Confraternity from 1970 to 71. He was a recipient of Ramon Magsaysay High School Elementary Alumni in Government Service Award in the year 2005 and an awardee of the University of the East, Dean of College of Law Alumni 2010, Honorary Award for the outstanding achievements as Magistrate of the Court of Appeals. He was also the founding president of the Alpha-Marsitarians for 4 consecutive years from 1968 to 1971, among others. A lawyer by profession and a management trainer, he rose from the ranks in his impressive professional career. Labor Relations Officer, Legal Assistant, Pupils Corporation from 1972 to 1975. Personal Assistant, Group Manager in Manila and Saudi Arabia Engineering Equipment Incorporated from 1975 to 1983. Senior Partner, Pizarro PR and Associates Law Office from 1984 to 1986. Assistant City Fiscal, Manila from August 11, 1986, January to 1994. He was a two-term founding president of the Prosecutors League of Manila from 1987 to 1989. Law professor, criminal law, trial techniques and criminal procedures at the Universities College of Law from 1989 to 1993. Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 71, Bigan and Canton Ilocos Sur from 1994 to 2000. Acting Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 77, Quezon City, Retail 1996 to 1997. Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 101, Quezon City, from August 7, 2000 to January 24, 2012. Associate Justice, Court of Appeals, Mindanao Station, Cagayan de Oro City from January 24, 2005 to June 4, 2006. Associate Justice, Court of Appeals, Senior Member, First Division, Manila Station, from November 25, 2013, July 3, 2014. Associate Justice, Court of Appeals, Chairman, 17th Division, Manila Station, from July 4, 2014, up to the present. Guided by the legal maxim, justice delayed is the worst form of injustice. Our speaker is a zero-case butler, Manila prosecutor, a zero-case butler, regional trial court, judge of Ilocos Sur and Quezon City, and a zero-case butler, justice of Court of Appeals. No case overdue, none pending. As a Court of Appeals, Associate Justice is the one of the justices who handles the case of Janet Lee Napoles and Delvin Lee. He also authored the following: the one-stop processing center for litigants, the Ganda CA movement, and the power of volunteerism task to beautify and clean the court premises, thus made the Court of Appeals a tourist attraction. Professionalism of the Court of Appeals security force, making it one of the best in government. Solve the flooding, traffic problems of the Court of Appeals, Supreme Court. He is a sports enthusiast, being a three-time basketball most valuable player, awarding badminton singles champion, a table football champion, road race fighter. He is beloved sports advisors of various Court of Appeals sports court. He defeated terminal cancer with a determination to live, the power of prayers, and to keep his body resistance up. Bike and bike until I die. He survived on February 2, 2013, a biking event participated in by some 200 bikers nationwide was held in Sulipan, La Union, Davao. Biking defeats cancer, Justice Pesaro Bike Fest. He was also the founding president of the University of the East College of Law Alumni Association in 1987 and the founding president of the Ramon Magsaysay High School Alumni Association from 1999 to 2001 with General Angel T. Reyes as chairman. Sumalangit na po. His favorite commandments exercises is Speaker of the Times University of the East graduating class. Commandments exercises Asian Development Foundation College in Tacloban City, March 23, 2013. 7 commandments exercises of the Municipal College of San Mateo, Rizal, June 10, 2013. And the commandments exercises of 272 computer trainees APEC, Mobile Digital Opportunity Center, Sulipan, Loyo, November 8, 2013. Also a favorite guest of honor, Speaker. He was invited as such at the 31st anniversary celebration Lions Club International District 301 A1 October 25, 2013, and at the 47th anniversary of the Printing Industries Association of the Philippines on December 16, 2010, among others. On February 26, 2011, he was honored in a parade and review ceremony and was the guest speaker. held at the Philippine National Police Academy, Camp Castañeda, Silang, Cavite. And in a similar event on July 19, kailan lang po, he was again honored in a parade and review ceremony, and he was at the grandstand speaker held at Philippine Military Academy at Fort Gregorio del Pilar, Palisip. The husband of the Honorable Congresswoman Catalina Leonel Pizarro of the ABS. Di ho anak babae sugal to ha. Baka nasa isipan nyo, ABS. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng ABS, Arts, Business, Service, Professional. Party list po ito. With advocacy of isang professional sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino, he was a 207 Uliran Ama Awardee held at the Manila Hotel. May I ask everybody to please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippines Battle of Justice of the Court of Appeals, the Honorable Normandy B. Pizarro.
Please be seated. Akala ko po, inilibing na ako bukas doon sa magandang introduction ni Grand Knight. Thank you very much. The State Luzon District Deputy, the one who introduced me, Brother Leopoldo Malyari, the worthy Brother Grand Knight, the illustrious Dr. Alberto Marsan. Is it with the junior? Junior? You look like a junior doctor, that's why. The Master of the Fourth Degree, Sir Knight, Mr. Pete Manlansing, the distinguished personalities at the presidential table. Ang tunay na inspirasyon ng mga Knights of Columbus na naririto, ang kanilang magagandang may bahay, paintulot yung batiin ko kayo. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. To all the spouses, pwede ba palakpakan natin ang ating mga asawa? I'd like to do an ad-lib. There is a saying, behind the success of a man is a woman. And so behind the success of the Knights who are here present are the beautiful spouses. Behind each wife or spouse, however, is an exhausted husband. Wala akong tuwa-tawa rito, Dr. Marsan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Knights of Columbus. Ilocano Meta po. I come from a harder place. My parents came from Abra. Your travel is 150 or so kilometers. Ours is 420 kilometers. So I come today with a feeling of excitement and nostalgia and also apprehension. Nostalgia because I am here to reaffirm the importance and luxury of friendship. Noong ako po ay maliit at abang student leader ng Metro Manila, we were in the first quarter storm, so to speak. Nandito po lahat yung mga kaibigan ko. At hindi ko po makakalimutan silang dalaw-dalawin. Nung ako po ay huwes ng Ilocos, dinadala ko ng gulay, longganisa at bagnet. Ang nanay na isa kong kaibigan, si Mr. Ferdinand Balenton, the Balenton family. Pwede ba tumayo ka, Mr. Ferdi? Para makilala ka, para magbayad ka ng mga utang. I also have here a bosom friend who I admire. He came from Meko in Taiwan. Nagsilbi po yan ng tahimik. Si Mr. Raul Concepcion from Moncada also. Excitement because this province of Tarlac is one of the greatest provinces, not only in Luzon but in the Philippines. Ito pong probinsya nyo ay isa sa 8 bayan na nag-alsa against the colonial rulers of early times. Maipakita nyo ang inyong tapang, pag-ibig, pagmamahal sa bayan. Tarlac became once the capital of the Philippines when President Emilio Aguinaldo transferred it from Malolos, Bulacan to this place. You are lucky because you have a rich heritage and pedigree. You have 2 presidents coming from this province. You have 4 or so senators. You have the great Carlos P. Romulo coming from the province of Tarlac. And so, even if only by process of osmosis, your forebears are great. This group must be a great group. The Knights of Columbus. Pwede ba palakpakan natin ang Knights of Columbus? The Knights of Columbus was named, we all know this, after the great Christopher Columbus. When nobody believed him, he toiled hard, convinced people that he could reach the new horizons. And so he was financed in his trip with 3 ships. He ventured by crossing the Atlantic Ocean. And so he discovered 29 years earlier than when Ferdinand Magellan discovered the Philippines. And that is in 1492. And so when he died in a place like Valladolid, Spain, a monument was erected. Itinayo siya ng monumento bilang parangal sa kanyang ginawa. Sa monumento may nakalagay na leon. There is a lion which appears to be biting the words Ne plus ultra. Ano ibig sabihin? No more borders. Pinatunayan ni Christopher Columbus na ang mundo ay hindi lang nasa Europa. Ang mundo ay bilog at merong mga bayang Amerika. And so America was rediscovered, second only to the native Indians and the aborigines of the continent Americas. Ang kinakagat po ng leon ay yung ne, which means no. So, as if to translate the message, more borders, more borders. And so this is now the battle cry of the Knights of Columbus. You have gone a long way. You are the biggest fraternal, Catholic, civic, social, and church-based organization with about 2 million or so members worldwide. Kayo, you are the cream of the crop of this place. and country. You champion the cause of family. You champion the cause of family. And so, may mga trabaho tayo, pero hindi po ako nagdalawang salita. Ang sabihin, pupunta tayo sa Bungkada Tarlac, not only to break bread with the people, with the knights, but to share with all of your good selves our nostalgia for you, with you. So, ipagpatuloy niyo po ang inyong ginagawa. You champion the cause of family. Kayo ang pag-asa ng tibay ng ating bayan. Among others, you champion the cause of the youth, the cause of education. I remember the saying, education is pushing the frontiers of knowledge into the dark continents of ignorance. Good breeding, culture, and erudition comes from your worthy acts. When you're being the silent guardians of the family. Pwede na rin po malakpak para sa Knights of Columbus. Sasamantalahin ko, I will speak a little bit at length because kaskunada, may iliwag nga makisarita kanyayo, kakabsat, amami, kaninami, ida, ingungutik nga kakailian. I am glad to see that there are more senior citizens than I am here. Pero kami naiingit sa inyo kasi with your religiosity, kayo mga knights, mauna kayong makakarating sa langit. Papalakpakan natin. Ako po'y